Na atongoria aya andu ethi a kiama kiu ni makoretwo magitiganirio thengia wa wirutaniri wao makiuga he bata wa kiama kiu kurorana kinyi maritwa ma atongoria aria matanyitwo kuheo iturwa bunge-ini mbere ya maneanitwo kuri speaker.
You find that the youth are the ones who are within the range, within the firing range in this country. When we were campaigning, it is the majority of the youth who are campaigning. It is the majority of the youth who are attending the rallies and campaigning for the party and campaigning for our party leader Raila Amolo Odinga. Then when it comes to the time of the reward, the youth are never rewarded. In politics, loyalty is rewarded and rewarded in installments. And equally, disloyalty should always be punished instantly in politics. But loyalty should never be punished in politics, while disloyalty should never be rewarded in politics.
Look at what happened during nominations. In Inooro County and Kajiado County, the people who were nominated in those positions were people from other counties. In Kajiado County, someone came from Mandera and was given a position. Are you telling us that in Kajiado County we don't have any youth? In Inooro County, we had an MCA, a sitting MCA from Nakuru, who was nominated by Jubilee. Jubilee and ODM are in Azimio. If you look at even the people who are being proposed by Jubilee to be sent to the Parliamentary Service Commission, are people who had been sentenced to 74 years in jail. So really we're asking ourselves, what does this Azimio want us to do so that they can be able to recognize us? We have now decided that the time is now for us to speak to our party and beseech our party to be able to reconsider the decisions that they are making now, because those decisions will cost the party the youth. We want to ask the youth to stand up and fight for what is rightfully theirs.
Na hau niho turatirihera mutaburuko witu wa Inooro hwaini tukucemania nawe wona ciahanda thaa ithatu mutaburuko-ini witu wa Inooro hwaini nigetha tukumenyithia Inooro thaa ithatu na tukumenyithia mage maingi inya kuria munini wa president mundu witu Rigathi wa Gachagua